Hello students, in this video we will see a different kind of difference operators and relations between them. So suppose we have this discrete data. So here y depends on x. So x is independent variable, y is dependent variable. That means y is some function of x. And here for that function, value of that function at some distinct points of x are given. For example, at x is equal to x naught, value of the function is y naught. At x is equal to x1, value of the function is y1, like this. So we have these n plus 1 points are there. Now first we will see forward difference. So this is given by this operator. This symbol is called as a del, forward difference operator. So forward difference operator, so del of y1, so this is equal to y2 minus y1. Okay, that means we have to subtract this number from this number. So we always subtract first number from second number. Okay, so therefore what is the del of y2? Del of y2 is y3 minus y1. So in general, del of yi, so it is y of I plus 1 minus yi. So this is how this forward difference operator del operates on y. So now what if we operate dels on del of yi? So del operates on, or del of yi is yi plus 1 minus yi. So one more thing about these difference operators is all these difference operators are linear. That means we can split them over addition and subtraction. So this gives us del of yi plus 1 minus del of yi. Now del of yi plus 1 will be yi plus 2 minus yi plus 1 minus del of yi will be yi plus 1 minus yi. So which gives us del square yi is equal to yi plus 2 minus 2 times yi plus 1 plus yi. Similarly for del cube yi, so it is del square. So see, del of yi will be yi plus 1 minus yi, and then we'll operate del square on that now. So del square y of I plus 1 minus del square yi. Now using this previous result, we get this, which equals to this. Del cube yi is equal to this, yi plus 3 minus 3yi plus 2 plus 3yi plus 1 minus yi. Now you can notice one pattern here. Look at here, del of yi. The coefficients are 1 minus 1. Now coefficients here for del square yi, 1 minus 2, 1. For del cube yi, 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. Okay, so all these coefficients are nothing but, so they are binomial coefficients, right? So in general, we get del R operates on yi is equal to yi plus r, right? See, for del cube it is yi plus 3. So for del raised to r it is yi plus r minus, this is rc1 yi plus r minus 1 plus and so on up to minus 1 raised to ry of I. So this is how this del forward difference operator del operates on these yi's. Now next is a backward difference operator. It is inverted del. Okay, so we call this also del, but it is inverted triangle symbol. Now how this operates? So del of y1 is y1 minus y0. See, forward difference del of y1 is y2 minus y1. And how backward difference y1 is? So y1 minus y0. Okay. Similarly, del of y2 will be y2 minus y1. Del of yi will be yi minus yi minus 1. So similarly, we can find del square yi, which is del of yi minus 1 it gives us this yi minus 2 times yi minus 1 plus yi minus 2. For del q yi, we can use same method like previous case. So we get this is del q yi. Again, you can look at the coefficients. 1 minus 1 for del square, 1 minus 2, 1. For del cube, 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. Again, these are binomial coefficients, right? So you can generalize this for del raised to r y. So we get this. So what is del raised to r y I? Look at here. Del q y I is y I. So y I here minus rc1 times yi minus 1 plus rc2 yi minus 2 and so on up to minus 1 raised to r y of I minus r. So this is how backward difference operator operates. Now next is central difference operator. Okay, so we have seen forward difference, backward difference. Now this is central difference operator and it is denoted by this symbol. It is called as delta. So how central difference operator operates on yi? So y1, so delta of y1 will be y of I plus half. So you have to add 1 half here in 1 minus y of 1 minus half. You have to subtract half from y1. Okay, del of y2 is what? In y2 you have to add 1 by 2, that is y of 2 plus 1 by 2 minus y of 2 minus 1 by 2. Right, so in general del of yi is I of I plus half minus y of I minus half. So what about del square now? So del square yi will be delta square yi will be delta operates on these two numbers as it is a linear. You can see here delta operates on this first number y I plus half. That will give us this number because it is what y I plus half that will be y of I plus 1 minus y of I plus half minus half, that will give us y of I minus 1. And for here when delta operates on this, that is yi minus half plus half, that is yi minus yi minus half, that is yi minus 1. This gives us a delta square yi as yi plus 1 minus yi. So here you can see this delta square is nothing but it behaves like forward difference operator del, right? Because we know that del of yi is yi plus 1 minus yi. So this, if you operate central difference operator y is, its effect is same as forward difference operator. Similarly, for delta cube yi, we get this, and when you operate delta raised to 4 on yi, it's like operating forward difference operator del twice on yi, which is this yi plus 2 minus 2 yi plus 1 plus yi, and so on. We can generalize. Alright, so this is for central difference operator, and we got this one nice relation here. Okay, delta square is equal to forward difference operator del. Okay, now next, shift operator. So here e of yi is equal to yi plus 1. There is only one term now. Okay, e of yi, so it just shift this number. Okay, yi will become yi plus 1. Next output, e square yi will be yi plus 2. So in general, e raised to r yi will be yi plus r. Also, we can have backward shift operator also. That is e raised to minus 1 when operates on yi. It is yi minus 1. It gives us a previous output. Similarly, e raised to minus 2 yi will give you y of I minus 2 and so on. E raised to minus r operates on yi is equal to y of I minus r. And the next is averaging operator mu. So mu of yi is equal to half times y of I plus half plus yi minus half. So this is averaging operator. So these are the difference operators: forward difference operator, backward difference operator, central difference operator, shift operator E, and averaging operator mu. Now let's see relations between these operators. So first, forward difference operator del operates on yi is this: y of I plus 1. Y of I plus 1 minus yi is equal to E of yi minus yi, which is E minus 1 operates on yi. This gives us forward difference operator del is equal to E minus 1. Next, backward difference operator del operates on yi, which is yi minus 1, which is this yi minus, now this is y of I minus 1 is E inverse yi, so 1 minus E inverse operates on yi. This gives us backward difference operator del is equal to 1 minus E inverse. Then central difference operator delta of yi is yi plus half minus yi minus half. This yi plus half is nothing but shift operator, okay? E raised to half operates on yi. It is half shift minus half backward shift. Okay, so it is half forward shift minus half backward shift operates on yi. This gives us delta is equal to e raised to 1 by 2 minus e raised to minus 1 by 2. And averaging operator mu operates on yi, which is half times yi plus half y plus yi minus half. That is 1/2 times forward half shift, right? yi plus backward half shift of yi, which is 1/2 times e raised to half plus e raised to minus half operates on yi. This gives us mu is equal to half times e raised to 1 by 2 plus e raised to minus 1 by 2. And therefore we get here this forward difference operator del is equal to shift operator operates on backward difference operator del, which we can verify easily, which is same as, we can change this order. Backward difference operator del operates on E, which is delta, that is a central difference operator, into e raised to 1 by 2. So these are the relations between these operators. Thank you.